Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today guys, I'm going to be bringing you yet another video. Yes, you heard me correctly, it is a double upload. As you guys can see, it's been an extremely long time since I have done this. Now, the only reason why I am actually doing a double upload is because I did have videos planned out for like all this week and probably into next week each day, if not every other day, depending on how busy I get. Because it was actually my birthday yesterday. My birthday is on April 20th, turned 19 years old, in case for those of you wondering. And no, I am not 40-something years old like a lot of you guys think I am. So anyways, this is Pokemon Ruby on the App Store. In case you guys didn't know what Pokemon Ruby is, it is actually a Game Boy Advance game. So this person made a Game Boy Advance emulator and put it on the App Store. And I think that's absolutely amazing. And he has other Game Boy games and even an NES game on the App Store. And I had to make a video about this. As soon as we get right into the video, I will be crediting the guy who found it by showing his comment and went along with the link into his YouTube channel inside of the description, guys. So don't forget to check him out since he found it. I don't know if he makes YouTube videos or not, just trying to credit him. So anyways, before we jump right into this video, can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am on my iPhone now, so let's go ahead and show this guy's comment. Let me go ahead and go over to my comments, scroll down, find his. And there we go. So as you can see right here, he actually did comment the leak, and I'm surprised YouTube did not actually block it, because a lot of the comments with really long links like that, it actually blocks them, and I'm surprised that one didn't get blocked. If it would have gotten blocked, I probably would have noticed it still and made a video on it, but whatever. So if we go ahead and open up the first one, this is Pokemon Ruby. Now, most of them have 5 seconds ads. Now, there's one later on in the video that's actually like a 40-second ad that I'm actually going to crop out of the video due to how long it is. So if we go ahead and skip through it, as you guys can see, this is actually the real thing right here. If I keep scrolling through it, this is actually Pokemon Ruby. If I go ahead and open up another app like this one, this is the one that had the really long ad that I'm actually going to skip through right now. So after the ad ends, you just go ahead and accept that, click the blue button on the screen, then hit start and select to try playing it, and there we go. As you can see, this is another Game Boy Advance game. So if we go ahead and go over to the App Store, if I go ahead and go to my recent purchase history, and here are the apps right here. So if I go ahead and click on one of them, like that Pokemon Ruby, which is what will be linked inside of the description, if I go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, before we do that, you can actually look at the reviews, and people are also even saying that it's Pokemon Ruby, so I really do think this is Pokemon Ruby. If it is not, then I terribly apologize, and I will take the video down if it is actually not Pokemon Ruby. I've never played any of the Pokemon games, so I don't know. But if I go ahead and click see all, as you guys can see, these are some of the games he's uploaded. A couple of Game Boy Advance games, and I believe the one that starts as FC is actually for the NES. So I thought that was really cool. I had to share this with you guys. But that's basically going to be just about it for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and want to see more stuff like it. But that's going to be just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.